Yonah Schimmel Knish Bakery has been making knishes on East Houston Street and the Lower East Side of New York City since 1910. And this place is so iconic and so delicious that I had to give it a try for this episode of Takeout Tuesday. I got the traditional potato knish and I'm excited to share it with you. So let's dive in. Okay, so I have cut a piece of the knish. It's apparently traditionally served with mustard. This is the first time I'm experiencing this. So many first experiences, but let's give it a taste. So, as you can see, the inside, take a look at that. It looks flaky, it's warm still. It's filled with potatoes. There's a lot of potato goodness in there, and it's baked to golden perfection. My mouth is watering just looking at it. Let's take a little dip of the mustard here. And time for a bite. Whoa. That's like all of the fluffy goodness that you like from a baked potato, or at least that I like from a baked potato. But it's wrapped with like a thin, flaky pastry. And then with the mustard, that was excellent advice that the guy in the shop gave me, because it balances perfectly with the potato, because you have this super savory potato and then the flaky crust. It's a little salty but perfectly flaky, and then with the delicious spicy brown mustard, it's so good. Oh my gosh, I have to take another bite of this. I love everything about them. The potato is just so silky. You can tell that they really either pureed it, put it through a ricer, but whatever they did, it just made the potatoes so smooth, so silky. And then, like I said before, with that mustard, you know what? Done with the fork and the knife. It's time to really take a bite. Oh my gosh. It's better this way. Just everything about it, you can just see up close and personal with this knish. It's like totally just a big, delicious meal, quick lunch break, packed into a beautiful little bundle of joy. And it's under $5, $4.75, and for New York City, for something homemade and delicious, classic traditional treat, this is the way to go. So you gotta come by and check this out. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this episode of Takeout Tuesday. I'm here in the park on 2nd Avenue in Manhattan, enjoying my delicious knish. Till next time, I'll see you later. Bye. Gonna put a little mustard on top. Taking another bite. Oh. Just keeps getting better and better.